Hi students, today our topic speed of traveling wave. Already in last class we discussed that the displacement equation in the case of progressive wave of a particle in a medium is y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx. In this at t seconds the displacement of the particle is y. A is the maximum displacement of the particle. Here, due to this particle motion along y-axis, the wave is propagating along x-axis with v velocity. We want here calculate the expression for the velocity of the wave in this class. For this purpose, let us, if the particle is oscillating along y-axis about the horizon, at any instant of time, t seconds, for example t seconds, at t seconds, the wave start here and it's traveling like this as a crest and trough like this. In this wave, we are taking one of the particle on the wave. One of the particle on the wave. At the time, here the wave is propagating like this. At the time, the phase difference of the particle we can be written as omega t minus kx. This is the phase of the particle in medium. Phase of the particle in medium. What is the phase here? The state or position of the particle with respect to horizon is called as a phase. The state or position of the particle with respect to horizon is called as a phase. Suppose the particle oscillating like this. Okay, the particle is oscillating like this at any time of t seconds. What is the angle made by that particle with respect to horizon is called as a phase. That phase value how much? Omega t minus kx. At that phase difference, the wave position is one of the point. We are observing the one of the point on the wave. The position of the point is we are taking as P. On the wave, the position of the point is P. Now, from this t, after delta t seconds, means at t plus delta t seconds, the particle vibrating along y-axis, no, its phase will be changes. At that point, at that time, the wave were taking like this. Means we are assuming that the wave is propagating like this. Means simply we say that the particle on the wave displaced to q, where after delta t seconds from that instant t, or with respect to horizon after t plus delta t, what happened? The particle on the wave reached to P to Q. It means this particle is oscillating. Related to this oscillating of particle, wave is propagating at t seconds, at any time of t seconds with omega t minus kx phase difference, p is the particle on the wave. From that, after delta t seconds means with respect to origin, after t plus delta t seconds, the particle reached to the Q point. Particle on the wave reached the Q point. Means, let us, the displacement of the particle on the wave we are taking as a delta x, the displacement of the particle on the wave. Simply we say that wave displacement delta x. So, delta x displacement in delta t seconds. Okay. Delta x displacement in delta t seconds means velocity of the wave is equal to how much? That is we are taking as v. So that v is equal to delta x by delta t. Means in delta t seconds, the wave displaces delta x when we observing one point on the wave. So the velocity of the wave is equal to displacement of the wave by time interval delta x by delta t. Equation number 1. Here omega t minus kx represents that phase of the particle with respect to origin at t seconds. Which particle? Particle of the medium. Similarly, after t plus delta t seconds or at a t plus delta t seconds, what is the phase difference? Omega of t plus delta t minus k of x plus delta x. That is the, here omega t minus kx phase of the particle in the medium at t seconds, we can write. Here omega of t plus delta t minus k into x plus delta x represents that phase of the particle at t plus delta t seconds. Here we observe that both are have the same p at p and q points, particle on the wave having a same position or same displacement with respect to x-axis. With respect to x-axis. So along y-axis, both are having the same displacement. Means from this equation, same displacement means same phase. Both are in same phase. So we can be written as here particle having same phase at p comma q. So what you can write? Omega t minus kx is equal to omega of t plus delta t minus k of k plus delta x. Now omega t minus kx is equal to omega t plus omega into delta t minus kx minus k into delta x. Omega t cancel, kx cancel. So 0 is equal to omega into delta t minus k into delta x. From this we can written as omega into delta t is equal to k into delta x. Means once again here, omega into delta t is equal to k into delta x. So omega by k is equal to delta x by delta t. Already from equation 1, what you can write? V is equal to omega by k. But omega is equal to 2 pi nu, or we can written as 2 pi f. 2 pi f. F means frequency. The frequency of the wave we can indicate nu r f. Nu r f. So 2 pi f. And k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. From this, V is equal to 2 pi f by 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi cancel. V is equal to f lambda. Velocity of the wave in the case of, okay, this is the velocity of the wave, or we can written as V is equal to nu lambda. Here nu and f both are indicate the frequency. So this is the expression of the speed of the traveling wave. Okay.